How to add Gemini AI to Google Sheets. So first go and open one of your browsers. So I'll just open my Google Chrome and then search for Google Workspace Market. Okay, now from here you just need to click on this one. Okay, now once you're here, just need to search for the app Gemini. So just type in Gemini here at the top. Okay, look for AI for Sheets. This one, just click on this one. Then click on install. Then click on, just log into your account. Just allow Gemini to Google Sheets to continue. And then just click on allow again. And then done. Then just to check if we successfully added Gemini AI to Google Sheets. So just open up your Google Sheets and then just refresh. And then let's click on extensions here at the top, and then as you can see the AI for Sheets Gemini. Now you can use Gemini on Google Sheets. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.